Who do you hope feels seen or heard when they listen to this podcast?
I agree with you, Rain, when he says that those who are struggling to find a place of affirmation, struggling to find a place where they belong, those who are struggling with whether it's anxiety, whether it's depression because of an issue or something simple, if I can say simple in inverted commas, um, of not coming out, of not being their true authentic self. So I think those who will benefit most, who will benefit greatly, is those that can actually have a shared experience through the podcast and hopefully help them in some sort of way, whatever it might be, to improve their lives and also to live their truth.